Good morning, children. In this session, we're going to study about addition under the chapter tens and hundreds. Our first problem is add the following 0.89 when 2.063 and 5.974. Our solution, I place the place value first, children. You see, first you refer all the digits. Before the decimal in all the three number we have one digit. So I write down one alone here before the decimal point. After the decimal, all the three numbers we have three digits. So after the decimal I put ones, tens, hundred, three place values. Is it clear, children? Next step, have to arrange the given numbers according to the place value, children. So this is addition. You should put the symbol. Then comes to the problem. Under the ones place we have 1 plus 3 plus 4. Then 1 in the mind. After 1 we have take 3 finger, children. After 1 you start to count 2, 3, 4. Then 4 in the mind, you take 4 finger. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Children, you should take finger and count, children. Next comes to the tens column. You take 9 in the mind. You take 6 finger. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then 15 in the mind, take 7 finger. So after 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So what comes now? We get 22. Next, we come to 100th place. There we have 2. After 2, we need to take 8 finger. 2 after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 10 in the mind. 10 plus 0, again 10, again 10 in the mind. After we have to take 9 finger. So 10 after 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Children, I got the 9. Right under the 100th place, then carry the 1 into the ones place. You should put the decimal point. Don't forget to place the decimal point, children. 1 plus 0 when, then 1 after we need to take 2 finger. After 1, 2, 3. Then 3 in the mind. You need to take 5 finger. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our answer 8.928. So answer sum is equal to, why we put sum? Because this is addition. So sum is equal to 8.928. Our second problem is 1.215, 2.35 and 4.789. Our solution: first you refer all the digit before and after decimal, children. Before one digit in all the three numbers, so I put the place value once. Then here this first one and last one alone 3 digit, but the second one have just 2 alone instead of the third. That means in the under the ones column I put 0, children. First number you take and write according to the given the place value. Then second number you see 2.3, here 300 and 5 tens, no ones here, so I put a 0. Next number you take and write just like that. So addition, we have 5 plus 0, 5. Then 5 in the mind. How many fingers you need to take? 9 fingers. So 5 plus 9, we get 14. I strike out 4. Right under the ones place. Carry the 1 into the tens place. 1 in the mind. After 1, 2. Then 2 in the mind. How many fingers need to take? Yes, very good. 5. So 2 plus 5, how much? Very good. 7. Again 7 in the mind. Then you need to take 8 finger. After 7 you should count 8 finger, children. How much you get, children? Very good. Super. 15. Next 100th place. 1 plus 2, 3. Then 3 in the mind. You need to take 3 finger. So how much you get, children? 3 plus 3, 6. Then 6 in the mind. You need to take 7 finger. So after 6 you start to count. How much you get, children? Yes, very good. 13. So children, I strike out 3 and right under the 100th place. Carry the remaining 1 into the ones place. Then 1 plus 1, 2. Then 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. Children, you should take finger and count, children. Then our answer 8.354. So sum is equal to 8.354. Our second heading is subtraction. First problem, 2.563 from 6.197. Our solution: first you place the place value before decimal, you have 1 digit. After the decimal you have 3 digits. So according that I place the place value, children. Then you keep the numbers according to the given problem. Which one comes first? The greater number only comes first in the subtraction problem. So which is the greater number? 6.197 and the smaller number 2.563. I place it here. So subtraction problem, please note it down. The greater number only should come first, children, because in worksheet you did some mistakes. you should keep the greater number first. Okay, come to the problem. Now, in ones place, first you check the two numbers, which one is the greater. The first one is the greater number, so we can subtract the smaller number from the greater number. Which one keep in mind? 3 in the mind. After 3 up to 7 you need to take in finger. So after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many fingers you take, children? Yes, 4 fingers. So what comes now? Here under the ones place you need to write 4. Next, come to the tens column. Again you check the digit. The second is the smaller one, so you can subtract. 6 in the mind. After 6, 7, 8, 9. We reach 9, so you stop and see how many fingers it take. Yes, 3 fingers. So what you write down under the tens place? 3. Next, in 100th place, the first number is smallest one, the second is greater. Can you subtract the greater number from the smaller number? Can't. So the ones place we have 6 ones. The 6 ones gives 1, 1, 2, this 100. So what comes here? Yes, here 11 has come. So children, I write down 11 here. This 6 ones give 1, 2 here, So how much remaining here? 5. Next, you can subtract now the smaller number from the greater number 11. So after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how many fingers you take? Yes, very good. 6. You write down 6 under the 100th place. Next in ones place, you refer the number. This is greater. The first number is greater number. So you should subtract. You keep in mind 2. 2 after 3, 4, 5. How many fingers, children? Yes, 3. You should take the finger and do, children. You should keep the decimal point. That is very important. So children, our answer 3.634. So answer here subtraction. So I write difference is equal to 3.634. Second problem, 3.29 from 7.59 when. So solution, first after and before decimal, how many digits you count, children? Before 1, here after 2. Here also before 1, after we have 3. So after we have 3, the maximum only I take and write. Give the place value 1s, 10s, 100. Then before 1 digit for both. So ones place I place it here. Greater number only we place, children. Next, after we have 2 digit, So instead of the ones place, I put 0, children. I saw the problem again. You watch. After the decimal, we have 2. So that is 100 and tens. In ones place, we put 0. Here you see the 3.29. So only I put 0 there. So 1 minus 0, any zeros subtract from any number, we get the same number. So what we get? 1. Then 9 minus 9. The same number subtract means what we get, children? Yes, very good. 0. Next come to 100th place. Here the first is greater number, second is smaller number. So we can subtract 2 in the mind. After 2, 3, 4, 5. So we take 3 finger. What comes here? Under the 100th place we need to write 3. Then we place the decimal point. Next, ones place, we have 7 and 3. So 3 is the smaller number. The first number is greater number. So we can subtract 3 in the mind. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we reach 7. Now you see how many fingers you take, children? 4. So what do you want to write here? 4. So our answer is 4.301. So our answer difference is equal to 4.301. Children, I think you are all study well addition and subtraction under the chapter tenths and hundredth. Thank you, children.